happening, guys? I'm Aidan from DK Tuning, and today's video is on this gorgeous little 595 Abarth. It's having a Forge induction kit put on it and a Scorpion Decap as well. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So Jake is just setting the car up on the ramp, and then he's going to start with the Decap, the Scorpion Decap pipe. So obviously we're going to take the old pipe off, then replace it with the new one, and then he's going to be putting the Forge induction kit on as well, and we'll get back to you when that's done. So as you can see in front of us, Jake has took the old cap pipe out and we've got the new Decap pipe to go back in. Hopefully it's going to sound loads better, as this is deadening all the sound of the car, and hopefully we'll get some crackle. So the Abarth is all done. The Forge intake system went on really easily while we were up at the office editing another video for you guys as well. Now we're going to start it up, show you what it sounds like with the Decap pipe on, and I'm telling you it sounds incredible, and then we're going to take it out for a couple of runs. So as you can see, this Abarth is absolutely crazy. Got some mad pulls, about 200 to 210 brake horsepower, and we're going to be ramping up the torque as well. So as you can see, it's extremely nice underneath the bonnet now with the Forge intake system, and obviously the new Decap makes it extremely loud as well. What a beautiful car. It's very, very direct, extremely light anyway, so it makes it a lot quicker. Probably not as quick as the other one that we had in a couple of days ago, but still very, very quick, and the customer is going to absolutely love it. So if you want any work doing to your car, be it an Abarth or any other car, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and please also subscribe to us on YouTube at DK Tuning, and we hope to see you very soon.